girls, welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I have a brand new review on a new collection that is about to drop, and it is by the brand Dedesignature. They were kind enough to send me over all of the new quads that they're planning on dropping. So this is a brand that is known for fruits. Okay, they're a fruit themed palette. Fun fact, I don't like fruits. Well, I dislike fruit, but like I'll eat vegetables over fruit. But anyways, they were kind enough to send these palettes over my way, so thank you so much. I do have a discount code with them, Ask Whitney, and it will save you 10% off your entire purchase. So one thing that the brand has made a focus is removing the pressed glitters out of their palettes. So they're listening to consumers. Apparently, a lot of y'all do not like pressed glitters. Personally, it doesn't really bother me that much, but I like the fact that a brand is listening and they're changing to appease their customers. So kudos to you, okay? So these are going to be releasing on March 4th officially, but pre-order actually was yesterday, March 1st. So yeah, you can pre-order them. But yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this look right here. But before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below if you plan on picking these palettes up, okay? Let me know what you're going to be doing with your coins. I'm nosy, I wanna know. Don't forget to follow her on Instagram at Ask Whitney because I'm cool and I'm fun. And yeah, did I tell you guys to subscribe? Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, okay? Help your girl out, we're trying to get to 20K. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, so I already have my brows fully filled in as per usual, and I used the Anastasia brow pomade in the shade Ebony. So, Dedesignature. Wait, what's today? Today is March 2nd. So hopefully this video is up, but yesterday was March 1st. It was available for pre-order and it officially launches on March 4th. These are the new palettes that she just dropped. These are quads. Okay, so first and foremost, we have the coconut palette, which is just like your everyday palette in a sense. Like you get your neutral colors in there. Really pretty palette. And then next we have the passion fruit palette, which, oh my gosh, the shimmers in here are crazy. That neon orange is like super intense. Like I don't even know if the camera is doing this enough justice, but like these shadows are intense. Then we have the peach palette, which is literally just very light. Not my personal favorite. I like a little more depth, but super pretty. That shimmer in there is absolutely gorgeous. Then we have the avocado palette, which is your green palette, and I love the fact that there was a brown thrown in there because if you've ever seen avocado, the day after you cut it open, it'd be looking brown. So I love that they had that brown in there. Super pretty, and that neon green, gorgeous. And then lastly, we have the blueberry palette, which was probably the most crazy when it came to pigment. Like these shimmers in here are crazy. This particular shade in the corner, that duochrome shade, crazy, crazy, crazy pigmentation. So obviously I'm not gonna use all of these on my eyes today, but I do wanna use a good amount of them. So I already can tell you the peach palette, not gonna be using this, okay? So that's pretty, going to the side. I wanna play with color, I like colors. So the coconut palette, pretty, but you're gonna step to the side too, boo. To the left. Next we have, let me see, the passion fruit palette. The passion fruit, I really wanna play with this color. Actually, I just wanna play with this whole thing. This, I'm gonna put this right here. The green palette, I'm not really in a green mood today. So you'll be put to the side too. And the blueberry, I really, really want to play with this shade. So I think I might be using both of these palettes today, do a blue look on one eye, and then do a purple, orange, I don't know, something with this palette. So to prime my eyes, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution. This is their eyeshadow base in the shade medium. Alrighty, so eyes have been primed. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the passion fruit palette, and I think we might be capable of using all these shades today. So first I'm gonna go into this shade right here using this Luxie brush, and I'm just gonna place this in my outer V. By the way, these palettes all come with little mirrors. Dee, we see each other.
We see each other. We see each other.
I love this. I love the attention to detail. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place this here. Okay, and then I'm just going to take another brush. If I can find it. If I can find the damn brush, I'll use it. Okay, I found the brush, y'all. Next, I'm gonna go into this shade right here, this orange color, which is like, it's like damn, y'all see this? It's like neon. And I'm just going to I want it to pat, but you know what? Now I want to blend. I'm gonna use that and blend it up here. And then I'm gonna go back into this shade right here, this purple, and start blending these together. I need a bigger, fluffier brush. All right, so what has been going on in my life? By the way, this is the point in like my makeup where I'm just, it's back and forth. Like I'm packing on, blending, packing on, blending. So yeah, it's just a lot back and forth right now. But anyways, there's this app that I started using off of Makeup Shayla's recommendation. Cause like her workouts, if you follow her on Instagram, man, like I've been trying to find like workouts to do because I'm tired of doing the same thing. So she told us the app that she uses, and I'm doing like a 7-day trial, and best believe once that trial's up, I'm paying for it. Like it's a little pricey, but I felt like I was able to get a good workout in, and I didn't do primarily cardio. Like I did strength training, but it was still some cardio incorporated, and I burnt a good amount of calories, and I want to like just get stronger. Like I want to do something different. I don't want to be flabby once I get back down to the size that I want to be at. Okay, I think I like what I got going on here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit more of my primer on, but I'm gonna put it here in the inner corner part of my eye. I'm gonna go into this shade right here, which this color is so pretty. I love shades like this. It's like a purple gold. It's so pretty. And I'm gonna put this in the inner part of my eye. This shade is cute. Okay, and then I'm gonna go into this shade right here. Absolutely gorgeous. And I'm just gonna put this on my lid. Oh shit. Didi came for the girls. Y'all, this shadow is alright. I see you, girl. I see what you're doing over here. Okay. Ooh, this is so pretty. It's like an antique bronze gold, like liquid gold. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and like marry all these colors together. As you guys can see, it's like kind of separated. So just taking this brush with nothing like picked up extra on it, I'm just gonna start blending this into that inner corner shade. And then I'm just gonna flip back to the brush that I used to put this shade on, and I'm just gonna grab a little bit more, and I'm going to fade it into this color. All right, and then I'm gonna go back into that purple shade that I used, and I wanna just bring this up just a little bit higher. And then taking the brush that I used to put that orange shade on, I'm just gonna go ahead and like blend that out. And this is I look using the passion fruit palette. So on this side, I'm gonna go ahead and use the blueberry palette. So I think for this palette, I wanna go into this shade right here. It's like a matte with like glitter in it or shimmer. I don't know, something's in here. But let me see how deep this is. Ooh. Ooh. All right, it's the same thing I did on this eye. I'm just gonna bring some of this primer. Why? Like, I don't know why I'm struggling to do this eye. I don't know. And then I'm gonna take this shade right here, and I'm gonna put this in my inner corner. Put this here. All right, and then I'm gonna go into this shade right here, and I'm just gonna put this all over the lid as well. All right, and then I'm just gonna add a little bit more of that first blue and just bring this up a little bit. All right, so this is the eye look. I'm gonna go put some lashes on, okay? And I'll be back to give you guys like my final thoughts on, well, the two palettes that I tried, because I didn't try all of them, but I did swatch them all for you guys. So yeah, I'll be back shortly. All right, guys, so this is a completed look, and listen, I'm fine. Sometimes you just gotta hype yourself up, okay? So these palettes are going to retail, well, they're actually different in price. I just looked at the website. So these three, the three that I did not use, are $15 each. And then the two that I happen to use today are both $16 each. And I'm assuming because of the special shades in here, like this right here, oh my gosh, like y'all, these shades are like crazy, like. So I'm assuming that's the reason for the price. It's a dollar increase. Yeah, the dollar increase in those two palettes versus the other ones. As per usual, I do have a discount code with them. It should be, I think my code is Ask Whitney. Yes, Ask Whitney, all caps, will save you 10% off. And I will link everything down below. If you do shop through the links, they are affiliate links, so I will make a commission if you do shop through them. You don't have to, but if you do, thank you so much. But overall, I enjoyed these palettes, well, at least the two that I tried out. I feel like the pigmentation is amazing. Like, I mean, you guys can see, like, it's gorgeous. Like, and I don't know if my camera is picking it up, but in person, my eyes look so intense, especially this shimmer. This, whatever I put here, is hella intense, and I love the way it came out. Yeah, that is that with these palettes. They will be launching officially March 4th, but they are available for pre-order right now. Today's March 2nd. Hopefully I can get this video up tonight for you guys to see before you guys, you know, if you do want to check them out, you can see some looks, you know. But yes, thank you so much, Dee, for sending me these over. I just appreciate when brands do send me PR because it really does help, okay? Because YouTube is not my full-time job. So being able to save some coins is amazing, okay? Because listen, you gotta spend money to make money, okay? So thank you so much for sending these over my way, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, oh, follow your girl on Instagram. But until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye.